our model is quite unique. What we do basically is we have a project funded by different investors. These investors come together, buy up units of 1 bed and 2 beds. We help them to manage, use it as shortlets, then remit returns to them monthly.
Welcome to the year 2024. Happy New Year to you all. It's a great honor to be able to see this year 2024. I am super happy. I don't know about you, but this is a month of blessing, multiple joy, and multiple investment to come. This is Oluwatosina Diogo bringing you amazing, juicy offer in this amazing year 2024. I know a lot of my clients had called me, texted me in the year 2022 and likewise in the year 2023 that don't you guys have properties for sale on the mainland? And guess what? I'm about to introduce a mainland properties to you in this brand new year. I'll be bringing you just the offer in this amazing year. That's why I need you to stay tuned, because this tour and this investment plan in mainland Lagos, Nigeria will blow your mind. Stay tuned. This is a 2-bedroom apartment which is fully furnished. As you can see, by the way, this finishing is good, it's impeccable. That's just one of the very basic thing about this place. There are much more interesting thing about here that I'll be unveiling today in this apartment. Now, this is the living room section. You have the dining space all the way right here. Very beautiful finishing. Also comes with your guest toilet, and you also have your kitchen space right here. Let's go check it out. Just take a look how this space is really good. This is mainland though, this is not island. This is a kitchen space. Of course, you have your sink. This is a modern faucet, a sink. It doesn't come with a refrigerator, or you just have to buy in your refrigerator, but it comes with all the cabinetry. You have the sink. Mainland has 100% clean water, and this is an exit door all the way outside. So let's go check out the room. But I want you to watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving you amazing juicy offer. There's something impeccable about this place, but let's see the entire space first. This is one of the rooms. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Look at the space. Just a few minutes away, someone just checked out from this room, and you have the toilet and bathroom right here. You have the washing basin, you have the toilet seats, of course you have the shower position right here. It comes with the beautiful AC, very nice POP finishing, and it also has a wardrobe section right here. Look at the wardrobe space in the space. And this is just one of the rooms. Let's go check out the other room. So this is the other room. So you have your mattress, you have your stand there, you have your AC, nice POP, beautiful lighting. Also comes in suite right here in the space. So you have your washing basin, you have your toilet seat, and you also have your shower section. Comes to your water heater. Very amazing space, very nice portable space. Of course, it comes with its own wardrobe as well in this space here. So this is a very impeccable space. So that's a quick tour of our 2-bedroom apartment, which is in the market for 50 million naira. That is a very good offer right here in Lagos, Nigeria, on the mainland especially. Very juicy offer. Of course, we have other units for sale. We have a studio apartment, which is in the market for 18 million naira, and a mini flat, which is in the market for 28 million naira. These are very juicy offer. Remember, I told you the last time that somebody just left here recently for shortlet. Just a few minutes ago, someone is out of the space. That means this is fast booking. Like, the demand is crazy. We don't have so much options like that on the mainland. That's why this is a good offer for you to be able to key into. You can buy into the studio apartments, you can key into the mini flat, and likewise the 2-bedroom apartment right here in Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. this building, this block, this phase 1, which I'm currently in, is fully sold out, fully off the market, because everybody just wants a slice of the market share, which I'm bringing to you. Well, the good news is that we have another phase which is ongoing right now, right in Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. Is our phase 2, which is ongoing, and we have just few units left in the market, so you need to key into it right now and be one of the lucky investors to own one of the units. Guess what? One big mind-blowing thing, if you own any unit, if you subscribe right now, is that you get to earn monthly from this page. We have an already package experience for all of that. I'm not saying you have to buy and probably not put it up for shortlets. No, we are doing it for you 100%. So all you need to do is to subscribe here, and if you own a studio apartment, you can earn between 200 to 250k monthly, guaranteed. Nothing like is less than that. Well, it can obviously go higher than that depending on the market, how very industrious the market is. So guaranteed you can earn 200 to 250k monthly. That means in a year you earn about 2.4 to 3 million naira. That's a good offer. If you're going to be renting it out, you're going to be renting it not more than 600 per annum. But now with this juicy offer, you are going to be making 2.4 to 3 million naira for a property you bought at the rate of 18 million naira. Isn't that a very good return on investment? So monthly, just don't keep that money in your bank account. Let it speak for you. For the mini flat, you're going to be guaranteed return on investment monthly. It's between the rate of 350,000 naira to 500,000 naira, while the 2-bedroom apartment for 600 to 800,000 naira monthly, it can go way above that, but this is guaranteed, and this is not up to you to make that call. This is up to us to make that call. Once you invest and you key into any of these units, you have this guaranteed return on investment coming to you.
One operating expenses, one capital expenditure, the same returns to everyone. We average everything and remit to everyone equally.
So no grief for anybody this month, though. No grief for anybody this year. So grab that money. If your bank manager is telling you something else, no grief for them. Grab that money and let it work for you right now, and let it multiply. Your children, of course, will be so proud to say, Dad, thank you for giving me this investment or getting this investment for us. Mom, thank you for getting this investment for us. That is why you need to own as many units as possible right now. You can own a couple of studio apartment, mini flats, and likewise 2-bedroom apartment. You can also buy it if you want to put it for rental income, or you want to probably manage it yourself for short let. It's open. This is an open investment for you to be able to make right here in the heart of Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. We bring to you, of course, for those who already have probably on the mainland, or who are also trying to scale more on the island. The question is, I know you have the very question, do we have something like this with that guaranteed return on investment on the island? I bring you good news, because we do have something like this 100% on the island, also currently ongoing right here. You can see from the view which showing you what it looks like right now on the island. So the 1-bedroom, we have a 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartment right in Chevron Tollgate, Lagos, Nigeria. The 1-bedroom is in the market for 35 million naira, while the 2-bedroom is in the market for 55 million naira. And guess what? Be it on the island or on the mainland, you can make an initial deposit of 10 million naira, 20 million naira, 30 million naira, depending on your pocket, but at least a minimum investment of 10 million naira on the island, and that also on the mainland. The exception is the 2-bedroom, which requires you to make an initial deposit of 24 million naira. Of course, spread your balance up to 9 to 12 months, because we do not intend to allow this project drag for long. This is going to be a short time. The construction is going to be back to back. So if you're making your investment right now, well, by December before December 2024, well, you should be, in fact, getting prepared to get your key to your apartment, and you can start making your money. In fact, the goal is for you to be able to make the last festive period ever money, which will be bringing you a juicy offer. That's why you need to key into it right now. and key into so that we can get you your property, you can get your unit faster. So if you want on the mainland or on the highland, we have this juicy offer for you. We have sold over, in fact, the year 2000, and this unit, this block, which is fully completed from 2000 and first quarter of 2023 till now, we've sold out for rent, for short let, so that's over 16 million naira, which we've given back to investors. We have evidence to back it out. That's why we are bringing it to you, because we know the market, we know the demand is there. Everybody wants a slice of the mainland, the highland, the short let investment, what is going on. So don't keep that money tied into your bank account. We bring you this.
Why is our returns one of the highest ever in the market? It is because the operating expenses and all other expenses like capital expenditures and whatever are divided evenly to all the investors. So take for example, if I have 20 units in a building and I have to spend 5 million naira to operate the building, the 5 million naira has to be divided by the total number of units owned by different investors. So that way your returns are optimized, managed efficiently. So even if you bought a unit, he bought a unit, I bought a unit, you got 25 days occupancy, I got 18, he got 23. At the end of the day, we would average all of this and send the same amount of money to all investors. So that way, the investors see themselves as limited partners and we see ourselves as managing partners that will remit returns to our investors monthly.
2024, expect more from me, because I'll be breaking that protocol for you. That's why you need to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so you do not miss out on any of the updates that I bring to you in this juicy hair. Stay tuned and don't forget to follow us on likewise all of our social media platforms at Estate Informat on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Instagram. You can likewise check our website at www.estateInformat.com for more property listings. And likewise call us on the number shown right there on your screen if you have a question for me, you want me to answer your question, or you want to key into this investment. You want to invest right now, that number shown right there on your screen. You can send me a WhatsApp message, or you can send us, of course you can also call us on that number. You can call the number, chat up the number, and we would answer all of your inquiries. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I know you're going to invest because I can see you thinking about it. I know this is a good offer, so please invest and let me walk you through the journey of real estate investment, the power of investing in Lagos, Nigeria. I hope to see you on our next Stay tuned, because I'll be back to show you more.